Hello and welcome back, everybody. If your Android apps or games are constantly crashing, the problem could be due to anything from software bugs, low memory, or even outdated system components. So, in today's video, we are going to give you a solution guide you can try out to fix the apps crashing issue on your Android device. So, let's just get started. First of all, you can try restarting your phone. So long press on your power button for that, and once you find the menu on your screen, look out for the restart option and tap on it, and that should clear the temporary issues. You can try it out. Apart from that, you can try updating the application as well. You can go to Play Store for that and open it up and look out for the apps that is having the crashing issues. So for example, you can go to the search and look out for the app. For example, let's say Facebook is something that is crashing. You can search for the specific app and you can look out for the update option. If you do not find the update option, you can also try uninstalling the application itself and go ahead and reinstalling it. Apart from that, you can clear the app cache and data as well. So head over to settings for that and open it up. And once you open up your device's settings, you may scroll down and go to the app section and tap on it, and that should open up your apps and games available. From here, you can basically look out for your app, go to the search at the top, and here type in Facebook or any other necessary application that is having the issue. Tap on the app once you find it up, and from there, you can just go ahead and look out for the storage option. Scroll down for that and tap on storage. And from storage, go ahead and look out for clear cache option in the bottom right corner, and that should do it. And you can also try clearing the data, but clearing the data will reset the app to its default state. And apart from that, what you can do is you can go ahead and reset your app preferences as well. Go to settings for that and open it up. And once you open up settings, scroll down and go to apps once again and tap on it. And from here, look out for the three dot in the top right corner and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you should be finding option for reset app preferences. You can tap on it and that will reset all the disabled app, background limits, and the default applications. And that is it. And you can also try factory resetting if nothing else work, but that will wipe your phone clean and fix the persistent software issues. For that, head over to settings and open it up. And from there, go to the search in the top and tap on it. And there, just go ahead and type in factory reset and tap on factory data reset and the general management. Once you find it up, you can just go ahead and tap on factory data reset and confirm it, and that should do it. So these are some of the solutions you can try out if your games or apps are constantly crashing on your Android. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.